Attorney, bukod naman po sa reclamation at environmental management, isinusulong na rin po ng PRA ito nga pong hydroponics bilang bahagi ng sustainable livelihood at food security programs nito. Now, aside po doon sa nabanggit na ito po ay all-weather at off-season crop, bakit po ninyo napiling gamitin ng makabagong teknolohiyang ito para maging alternatibong kabuhayan para sa mga komunidad?
Kasi unang-una, mura po siya. Pangalawa, we can involve our youth. We will create a bagong Pilipino po in doing this. We hope to achieve under the auspices of the President. Alam mo naman, ang gusto ng Presidente talaga makatulong. Kaya nga kami, we are known as PRA. We were established by law as Public Estates Authority. We are, by executive order, renamed Philippine Reclamation Authority. But under the mandate of the President, we would like to be known as the Poverty Reduction Advocates. Katulong ng Pangulo sa pagbababa ng poverty dito sa bayan po. At ito, isa sa mga murang-murang programa. Isipin mo, sir, 300,000 matutulungan mo. Doon sa NAIC, 4,000 ang estudyante. 4,000 students ang natutulungan namin, 4,000 families. We are you multiply that 700 times. Ano lang ho to? This is just our program for this year. We have sufficient funds to sustain this po. At ito naman po mga pondo nanggagaling dito ay nanggagaling naman po doon sa mga nagre-reclaim. Kasi nagbibigay sila ng pondo sa gobyerno and we keep this, it is called the Social and Environmental Fund for the communities that are affected. Kaya may mga bangka kami for fishermen. We have tinapa making, we have other livelihood projects which attorney literal, and we have so many programs for our poor, not only poor fishermen, but our poor Filipino citizens po.
Okay.